Searching for a 2007 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.